In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can send large files for free using WeTransfer. So the first thing we want to take a look at is the pricing options, right? So for free, you can share and receive up to 3 GB of file monthly. You have 10 transfers per month and your transfers expire up to 7 days. So that will be sufficient for most users, right? So let's get started. So we're going to be creating a free account. The link is in the description. Here you can sign up with your email, first name, surname, and a password. However, I'm just going to continue with Google. Select your email address and then continue if that's the option you went with. Now select continue. From the drop down, select which field you're in. I'm just going to select photography. I'm going to uncheck this option and continue. Select what best applies. I'm going to say no thanks here. And here I'm just going to select go to send files. Now all you need to do now is add the files that you want to send, right? So I'm going to select add files. I'm going to select a large file here. This one is 100 megabytes. Open. And then you specify the email address that you want to send it to. So I'm going to send it to my Yahoo. And I'm going to say test transfer. Then select transfer to proceed. So basically it will take a while depending on the file size. So here you can see that it's uploading. Now you have the option to set a password on the file and you can change the expiry date. So remember with the free version, it expires 7 days. So let's go to my Yahoo and here I have my WeTransfer. So I can now go ahead and download the file using the WeTransfer link. Now here I just need to select download and that's it. And here it notifies me that hey, transfer expires in 3 days. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.